Okay, so this week we're actually running one of our sessions of collision repair instructor training. This is a session that we've been doing since 2011, and 2 to 3 times each summer we invite up to 16 different instructors from across the country to come from vocational programs to spend 4 days with us here at 3M going over various different topics in collision repair. Typically we'll spend the first half of the week looking at different body repair processes: cutting, grinding, sectioning, dent repair, plastic repair, seam sealers, adhesives, corrosion protection, and those sorts of things. Towards the middle of the week, we start to transition over as we get to, in our exercises, to start reassembling things. We start moving into technologies such as welding. We'll cover welder setup and how to get a proper weld going. We've got squeeze type resistant spot welders, a couple of different brands there, and we've got riveting equipment that allow us to do rivet bonding and rivet sealing on vehicles. Towards the end of the week, they start getting into the paint department, learning about masking, learning about paint application, paint finishing. And we even have a great booth here that we're really excited about having. Extra large booth gives us the ability to have 16 different painters in the booth at one time, working on small pieces, of course, or we could bring in a larger vehicle. In the class, they actually do a speed shape competition, so they can custom paint on that, and then the top 3 win some prizes. So we have a lot of fun. We had one session last week, so we're in our second session here. So we'll have 32 have gone through just this year. So